Hello, I'm Jennifer, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some of my top Amazon favorites, so stay tuned. And of course, as a small business owner, I believe in the importance of shopping local, but with the COVID going on, sometimes convenience wins out. So these are some of my favorite Amazon items. The first product I want to share with you is going to change your life. I went to a client's house to do some drapes in her master bedroom, and when we entered her bedroom, I could immediately smell this divine smell, and I was asking her what was it. She said, well, it's Tyler laundry soap. I wash my towels and blankets in it. I said, well, how long ago did you wash it? She goes, it's been a couple weeks. Okay, I purchased it. There's two that are my favorite scents. This one's Diva. There's also High Maintenance. Here's the thing, it's expensive. I only wash my blankets in it and a few towels. You only need 1/3 of a cup. I wash it and then I let it air dry for a little while, and that last little bit that needs to dry, I throw it in the dryer. I'm telling you, this scent not only lasts for weeks at a time, it fills an entire room. It is so beautiful. It is a luxury item, but it is on the top of my list. I carry 2 blankets in my car when I go shopping and I have to wrap something up, and I wash them with this laundry soap, and so every time I get in my car, it smells fantastic. Now, I get the larger one. It's about $65, which is a lot. If you want to just test it out, it's $24 for the smaller amount. The better deal is getting the bigger amount, but I'm telling you, you're going to write me a comment after you use it because you're absolutely going to love it. For my next Amazon favorite, you know how I love florals. I found a beautiful mercury glass vase. I love to use mercury glass in a lot of design because it's another way to add a little bit of bling, but it also is a reflective item and lights up the room. I love cherry blossoms, so they come in a pack of 4 of them. I've already clipped them. You kind of want to spread the branches out a little bit and then just start placing it inside your mercury glass vase. This is a very natural looking arrangement. I think it would be beautiful in any room, whether it's the dining room, the kitchen, or a guest room. Florals just add a little bit of cozy to any room. So this next product I want to share with you is super cool. We actually did a tour in a luxury home, and when we got in the mudroom, I noticed the beautiful subway tile. And it wasn't until I touched it that I realized it was peel and stick tile. This is what it was. Talk about an inexpensive DIY project. It was super easy. We actually put this up in Kayla's kitchen. Here's the video above. You can check it out. It's called Room Decor. It's 10 sheets in a package, and we ordered 2 packets, did our kitchen, turned out amazing. The next products I'm going to share with you are beauty products, and the reason I'm going to share this is because I get a lot of questions about my eyelashes and my lipstick and lip liner. You guys are never going to see me do a makeup tutorial. That is just not my thing, and I'm not good at it. So I'm just going to answer some questions about what I use. Now, my eyelashes. I kind of already had long eyelashes, but the older you get, the thinner they get. So I was told about Rodan & Field's Lash Boost. It's expensive. I've had mine probably 7 months and I still have plenty. What it is, it's a liquid, and you're going to apply it just along your lash line right before you go to sleep. And I did it every night until my eyelashes got as long as I thought they looked really good, and then I just used it once a week. So I love that. It was amazing. Now, my lipstick. my lip liner, let me put my glasses on, as you can see has chew marks in it. I don't know if you met Sarah's party poodle in another video, but he got a hold of this. Still works, so that's okay. But it's Maybelline Color Essential lip liner, and this one is in the color Gone Greige. So then I use CoverGirl Fawn, and this is a matte lipstick that stays on a really long time. It also comes with like a clear gloss on top. I don't use that. What I use is MAC Lip Glass. I love this stuff because it stays on super long. It's not like your typical lip gloss. And then the color I use is called Cultured. So there you have it. That's what I put on my lips, and that's how I get my eyelashes long. Let me show you a few home decor items to warm up any space. I'm going to start with a textured soft throw. Next, I'm going to add a really cute pillow. Again, I like to have texture in the design, so this pillow is perfect. Now my little table needs a little work, so I'm going to add one of my favorite books, and on top, just a simple little bit of greenery. Here's a simple, easy way to style a tray for your coffee table or for your kitchen. All you need is a book that's one of your favorites. This is one of mine. A simple wood bead tassel to lay on top, and of course, add some greenery. This book is written by an Instagrammer that I have followed for several years, maybe stalked. Her name is Lisa Marie Galvin. She wrote this absolutely beautiful book. It's all about 100 ways to love the feeling of being home. That has my heart. And the pictures in it are stunning. You'll love it. One of the top things to creating a cozy home is how it smells. And since the holidays are right around the corner, I want to share with you my top 2 favorite candles. We sell these in our store and we keep them burning throughout the season. The very first one, and these are both by Times, is Simmering Cider. Gorgeous, soothing, warm smell, a little bit of cinnamon. Absolutely love it. My second very favorite is called Fraser Fir. Now I have a lot of greenery in my house that looks super real. It's not, but I burn the pine candle, and then when I have guests over, they kind of wonder if my pine is real or not. These 2 candles are wonderful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna have more videos coming out soon. Everybody stay safe and stay well. Thank you.